Last week we made a puppy craft, so this week we are making a kitty craft. To make this adorable cat, you will need pink paper, white paper, black construction paper, scissors, glue, a black pen or marker, and a white colored pencil. We will start by cutting out the shapes that we will need. Out of the black paper, you will cut a heart shape for the cat's face. Then, you will cut an 11 by 2 inch strip of paper, a 5 inch by 1 inch strip of paper, and a 1/2 inch by 8 inch strip of paper with a curve on one end. Then you will cut 2 large petal shapes from the black paper and 2 smaller petal shapes from the pink paper. With the pink paper, cut out a small circle for the nose. From the white paper, cut out 2 small circles for the eyes. Now it's time to put your cat together. Fold the ends of the long, thick paper strip towards the middle as pictured. Glue or tape the 2 flaps together to create a 3D half-circle shape. Glue the pink petals to the back of the black petals to create ears for your cat. Glue the ears to the back of the cat's head, the heart-shaped piece. Glue the pink nose on the cat's face. Take your white circles and use the black pen or marker to make your cat's eyes. Glue them on the face. Using the white pencil crayon, give your kitty some whiskers. Glue the cat's tail, the short strip with the curved end, to the back of the cat's body. Fold the last strip like an accordion. Snip off the excess, leaving about 4 folds. Glue the cat's head to the accordion fold paper strip. Then glue the accordion fold to the front of the cat's body. The accordion folds make it so if you tap their little heads, they bobble up and down. How cute is this cat? You can even get creative like these kids and make the cat out of white paper and color it in. If you put the head of the cat upside down, it now turns into a mouse.